All right. Let's do this. And there's a cop. This is gonna be great. Oh look, I already see him checking me out. Yeah, I see you. Let's see what he does. Look at this cop, bro. Just trying to bait, bro. Bet money that dude's gonna follow us almost the entirety of the fucking time. It's all good, bro. Look, I know it's an important day. We're gonna go see F1 in the way that we wanted to experience it to begin with. I got fucking time, bro. You wanna try to do that shit where you fucking try to, oh my god, bro. I can't believe the audacity that dude fucking had. Bro, here's, I got a loud ass bike. Ooh, ooh, loud fucking bike. Immediately he's like, oh no, I need to run this guy's plates. You're not running shit, bro. Look at him, bro. I know he's waiting for me. I can play too, bro. Why do you keep trying to check me, bro? I don't fucking like cops, bro. Finally. Now I can actually fucking enjoy my ride. Bro, I can't believe that guy. Bro, I feel like when my exhaust is off, I just want to listen to the bike. I don't want to commentate. Because it just sounds so fucking nasty. In the city area, kind of, we are. Ah, dude, I'm just locked in right now. God, bro, this is just, when the muffler's off, dude, it puts you in a different state. Hopefully I can take my left turn, the left turn that I like to take, you know, the way that I actually want to. Alright, what is with these people walking in the middle of the street? What are y'all doing? Should be nearing our destination. I think today we're gonna do the, we're gonna go see this movie, and then I'm probably gonna hit the gym again, definitely. If I can't go to the gym, you know, at least 4 days of the week like I want, I gotta at least do one. My schedule's kind of, it's not an excuse, but my schedule at work is making hard.
Give me one.
It's getting a little quick shift. Bro, coming to the theaters might be like one of the best fucking rides here ever. You get some highways in there, you get some nice turns. Is that a cop? I can't tell. No crossbars on top, police interceptor wheels, lights on the side. That's a cop. Let's see if he wants to play too. I got a whole hour, bro. Let's do it. There, a mile and a quarter. That's all we need. Oh shit, man, I cracked my visor, bro. I feel the fog. Woo! Yeah, up there playing with fire. Ah, the road is shut down. Got it. How much of the road is fucked up? Cause low key, what if I just like, you know, just get on the other side of the cones and, you know, just gap a couple people, you know? I was not expecting there to be traffic. Fucking 9 a.m. This kind of wild. Alright, bro. I'm starting to get a little aggravated now. What the fuck is causing all this traffic? So many lanes these guys got shut down. Yeah, I definitely could have stayed in the HOV lane and just booked that shit. God, I'm not in that mayhem. There it is. You can see it, bro. And then look, you can see the fog. Shit's wild. To see F1 again. I'm so happy. Alright, here we are again. This might start becoming one of my favorite spots to ride to, not gonna lie. What a fucking ride. Oh my god. Alright, and that's it. See y'all when the movie's over. gotta turn left. Oh man, we are back. Seeing the F1 movie in 4DX, bro, that shit was, whew. I'm not gonna keep talking about it because I've talked about it enough, but bro, that one scene where it's just looking at one thing and then it fucking pans around. Oh my god, bro, I'm recording in 360 just so I can recreate that shit. I don't know when we gonna do it, but we gonna do it. I want a lane split so bad, but I can't, as it's illegal. So look at this building. Is this where we do the shot? We'll do it 2 times. We'll do it here and then we'll do it on the highway. I like that. I like that. Bro, there's something about seeing a sick-ass car movie and then going out to your vehicle and almost experiencing the same thing. I wonder what that building is. In Vesco? Oh my god, bro. Looking at the sky is trippy. Because just the way the building is standing still and the clouds are moving at a decent pace, trippy, bro. Great, is that another fucking cop up there? Pretty sure that is. Oh, it's not. I see crossbars. Oh my god! That's the fucking shot! That was... woohoo! God, if only I had my gear! Well, I missed my exit. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my god, no it's not, there's traffic. Oh my god, bro, my fucking head hurts, bro. Oh, I love having this shit with no muffler, bro, I swear. But fuck, bro, at the end of every ride I'm always like, dude, my head. Yeah, bro, this shit hurts my head. I feel like I gotta wear earplugs if I'm gonna run it like this. God, it's like, pros and cons, pros and cons. I don't got a quick shifter, by the way. I just be practicing. Bro, the way that you can just hit the gas and just engine brake, not even touch the brakes at all. Oh! No brakes, nothing. God. Fucking love motorcycles. God, I love motorcycles. Oh shit! Dog crossing! Dog crossing! Be careful, be careful. Alright, bro. I'm clearly having a heat stroke. How really? Maybe not? Get a little heat in them tires! Maybe we can actually get some fucking wear on the sidewalls instead of dead in the center. But nope. We got this low ass Mini Cooper. I'm just kidding. I got a feeling this stoplight's gonna take quite a little second here. I'm just gonna take a quick little nap. Haha, green bitch! Pond de Leon. I feel like I know where I am. I'm gonna just go left. See where it takes me. Ready? Watch this. I'm gonna put my kickstand down and it's gonna turn green immediately within a matter of 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing, bro. Crazy. Oh my god, there it is! Green light, green light, green light, green light! Dude, I don't even know if I'm going the right way, dude. I'm trying to go home at this point. I don't think I want to do the gym anymore. Oh, you guys want to know something else? We bought a new helmet. Just gotta wait for it to get delivered, but it's gonna be sick. I might do an unboxing video on it, just because. I think we're nearing the end of our adventure for the day. I will catch you guys later. Y'all know the drill. As always, it's your boy, MT Dallas. I will catch you guys in the next one. Outskis Batowskis, ride hard, fly safe. Well, at least I caught it on camera. Hey, yo! I'm driving here. What are you doing? Alright, that's all. Let's get a power release for the outro.
Red Bull all the way, baby. Red Bull all the way.
Y'all don't have the F1 movie helmet bucket? Make my own.